For the many numbers, yes. That's it. Wow. That's how it started. But it wasn't here, it was same village, but down in the valleys. So this is when we had started to do some construction.
Alright, yes, oli ku Glosh TV nga bulijjo nateera njagala kubanga nkubuuzaako muganda wange gwe wenna atugoberera wano ku mukutu gwaffe gwa YouTube nti wasiibye otya ogamba otya kasubire oli bulungi. Nateera nkujjukiza nti nja kusaba muganda wange genda wansaawo osubscribinge olikinge ateera osharinge still osobola okomentinga okusinzira ku video eno nga obokoze ki nga woba ojabe. Nateera nyongera okubanga nkujjukiza gwe wenna eyandyetaaze okubanga olanga naffe aba Glosh TV osobola okubanga otunoonyako kanamba kaffe ak'essimu 0750 3120 83 oba 0750 3120 ojja kubanga osobola okubanga otufuna tujja kubanga tukulangira bizinesi yo osobola okubanga naawe ogikuba abantu mu maaso.
Cover. Ready for the boss. Okay. I don't think. My adopted but it wasn't here. It was same village, but down in the valleys. So this is when we had started to do some construction. And we did this way and so much. We had fans. Yes. And you know, the miracle here, one day I dreamed someone telling me, fix this tree and fix this tree. So I was was showing me which tree. But the termites had eaten 7 trees. So I called the engineers. I was like, no, it's okay. And then each tree that they pointed to me was going to make the church fall. Yeah, so good safeness by showing it to me. Wow. Yeah. So here is the water. Yeah, so it would rain. But this is our probably third service. Probably third service. Because I was from school. So that's the choir.
Do you remember which year this was?
No, that should be about 18. These are tarpaulins. So after COVID, we went into the tents. And this happened in 77 days of glory. Like, most people were leaving church, like for 77. But they did it 77 days. Or with Miracle Center, people go for revivals and they return to their church. Some churches, people go, they actually pick whoever they left. So that's the beauty of Miracle Center. People go and kind of get the fire and take it back to their churches, you know what I mean? And it's something we should pray about. Some people don't want to, when they go, they want to be back. They want to come back. They want to come back. So God spoke to me, is like, if I'm in the neighborhood, it means you can prepare, I can pass by, like, someone can be like, if that's probably, if you're there, can you pass by my house? So I was like, if that revival is really God, let us prepare this church. Probably the blessing is in the country. It's not far. Revival is not far. So we started to expand the parking, took down everything. I sold my house in Chihuahua. I had my home there, moved to this village and sold everything to buy space. So we went into the tents. This is in COVID. This is in COVID. And here are the tents. They kept falling.
Oh, you kept a picture of
We kept it. And every time it fell, I have a big testimony there. It always fell on either Tuesday or Monday. Never on a Sunday. So otherwise I would be in prison. But God made sure it doesn't fall. These are the worship nights. We do those. Last time we had about 30,000 people here. Yes, and then we started construction here. And here, that's Mercy Child Care. We run an orphanage. It's called Mercy, it's in Wakiso. There is over 1,000 kids now. And there is Mercy Hospital, helps the village. We started Mercy Church there, Mercy Schools, Wakiso International School. There's a lot, another village there. Maybe the day you visit us, you could swing by, please, and see what we're doing. Yeah. Yes, the schools, national and international curriculum, and our kids are doing well. They are like so active in sports. They have awards for swimming, for football, and whatever. So that's what we're doing as a church. Wow. That's what we're doing. Yeah. This is the crew, but I think Yona just in. Yeah. Just in. Others moved. They started other things. At least I feel like that makes sense. Yeah. You need to know. Yeah. Is that thing open? I don't know. I hope there is AC today. Yeah. So we started it and you just have to go to Google Play or App Store. over 10,000 people downloaded it. But it's also on other platforms. Your TV channels. It's strictly online. But
This
it's
is inspiring.
Thank you. I would like you to say, please download, please like church.
No problem.
I think you need to be there where the logo is. So we're making you one. What does it say?
Raymond.
Raymond, where are you? Rain. Mubadde mukyaki nga musawa?
Musumbaze Yona, yes.
Mujja ne musawa? You can say go to Google Play App Store. It's called Muziki Fast. That will be fun.
It's Muziki Fashion.
Church radio, Muziki Fast. Like Music Fast, but we use Muziki.
Hey guys, I'm coming to you live from the studio of UG Church Radio, Muziki First. Go and download it. So it's on the Google Play Store app, it's on the Apple Store. You can go download it. It's incredible. This is the #1 church radio there. We love Pastor Wilson and what's doing there. So go and download it. All the Riot people who are watching this, go and download this. It's incredible. That's fine.
Okay, sorry, Pastor. It comes with your job. That comes with your job. Okay, I think you're good job. Sorry so much. Yeah, he's missed it there. Pastor, I'll keep walking again.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
Saba kubayitako bano.
So those are the photos that we can see.
For the many numbers.
Yes.
Because all the way, so we still buy because we want to connect it to the other video. Sometimes we have 20,000 people. Praise God. That is good.
Oh, that's good.
Come on. Almost there. At least the tough part is done. Everybody is Okay, I think that's okay. All these flowing come. Sister, one that lives in Melbourne. She does this show where all the simple and come and Thank you, Pastor. This is me. Right, that's the church canteen. Just that? I should love it.
Marlena. L? Yeah, that's what I said.
He who waters shall be watered.